Hi, I'm Susinda Marimuthu, founder and CEO of BlueNav. We are an airport systems company and we are into solutions for airport operations and air traffic management for both civil and military aviation. Let's talk about airports. There are three main questions that every department inside an airport is trying to answer at all times. Are all aircraft and ground vehicles where they are supposed to be? Is every movement happening on time? Are the stakeholders of the airport being billed right? For example, the airlines, the ground handling agencies, and etc. etc. Even when one of these questions don't have an answer, things would get chaotic and mostly result in either a safety incident or disruption to schedule or delays, frustrated passengers, and many times massive revenue loss to the airport. How are these things managed or mitigated anyway? Let's dig one day leap. The Airport Operations Control Center is a nerve center of the airport's information flow. In case of the Chennai International Airport, there are 1,600 CCTV feeds coming in from various parts of the airport, where human operator watch the feeds and pass information to the concerned departments. There are a few big problems here. It is impossible to watch thousands of CCTV feeds in real time. There is information overload. This process is heavily prone to human error and is grossly inefficient, and in case mistakes happen, they lead to massive losses again. And as a result of which, this camera based monitoring system is a reactive mechanism and it's only suited for post mortem analysis. You can, of course, replay and investigate an incident after the occurrence, but by the time you do that, the airport has already lost its revenue. So, how do you prevent things from going wrong here? Introducing Airport Operating System or the Airport OS like BlueNav. It is an enterprise-grade airport management solution aimed at airport authorities and airlines across the world. It is the first of its kind in India, and we are proud to be the only company in this part of the world working on something as sophisticated and specific in this domain. It is also our first step towards and foundation towards a long line of aviation products to follow. So, the airport OS taps into the information backbone of an airport. It draws immensely huge data sets from the air traffic control radars, data directly from the aircraft, from the ground vehicles, weather data, airspace data, and other such data from a whole lot of other sources. It then packs this into an elaborate mechanism where the entire land area of an airport, along with its real time traffic, is converted to a giant access control system of sort where customized rule sets for specific departments can be created and applied. The three questions I had mentioned before are all answered in real time for 24/7 and for 365 days. So the airport is safer on time while the stakeholders are built right. The data generated by Airport OS also instantly becomes the ground truth over which all departments in the airport, including the airlines, operate on. The Airport OS runs the Airport Operations Control Center, feeds the right department with the right data, and preemptively alerts the concern in case of an impending solution. We are a winner of the Startup Initiative conducted by Ministry of Civil Aviation and have partnered with Airports Authority of India towards co-development and deployment of the solution at Chennai International Airport. So we are in the process of actively executing a purchase order that's been received from Airports Authority of India.